Good morning everyone, especially to our judges. My name is Alvin Bigpat and I'm representing Hatoria, grade 12. Okay, so if I were to choose as a Sianan, if I were to choose between the three questions given to us, I would choose sportsmanship. Why? Because cooperation is the key to success. Cooperation is something we all need to find victory in everything that we do. In sports, we communicate, we collaborate, we fight, we win. Victory comes after. And as a Sianan also, I want also you to remember that sportsmanship or communication and collaboration is a key for democracy. Why? The current situation right now that the Philippines is facing is corruption. Am I right? So, as Filipinos, we should fight for it. We should walk. We should fight that every penny stolen is a piece of our future being shattered and being broken. So we will not let these corrupt people corrupt our minds, because it is our money that feed their pockets. It is our money that put them into a better state right now, while the Filipinos remain homeless, yet they live in mansion. So that is the component of us being able to showcase camaraderie to everything that we do. Cooperation, community, unity. The world is full of problems, sins, and greed. Yet we still be able to connect the past from the present by still showing what hope and love truly is to all Christians. Let's just keep going and continue to fulfill our duties and faith. For this is what we're born on, and this is what we probably should die with. Thank you for listening and watching, everyone. Happy Sen Olympics 2025. Mabuhay and blessed be God forever.